If you're seeing a GoDaddy registry error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back to managing your domain without the frustration. This is one of those errors that can happen for a few different reasons, so we're going to work through the most common fixes in the right order. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, refresh the page and try the action again. Sometimes a registry error is temporary and a simple reload is all it takes to clear the issue. If the page is stuck or the connection timed out, refreshing gives GoDaddy a fresh attempt to complete the request. If that does not fix it, sign into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you are logged into the correct account that owns the domain you are trying to manage. A registry error can sometimes appear when you are signed into the wrong profile or don't have access to the domain settings. Next, check whether the domain is active and not expired. In your GoDaddy dashboard, go to My Products, then select Domains. Look carefully at the status of the domain. If the domain has expired, is pending renewal, or is otherwise inactive, that may be the reason the registry action is failing. In that case, renew the domain or complete any required account steps before trying again. Now let's verify the domain contact information. Open domain settings and check the name, email address, phone number, and street address. Registry errors can happen if this information is incomplete, outdated, or does not match what the registry expects. If you notice anything incorrect, update it and save the changes right away. After updating the contact details, check your inbox for a domain verification email. Some domains require you to confirm the contact information before changes can go through. If GoDaddy sent a verification message, open it and complete the verification process. Also, check your spam or junk folder just in case the email was filtered out. Once you've done those steps, go back and try the original action again. In many cases, the registry error clears after the domain is active, the account details are correct, and the verification email has been completed. If you still see the error, double check that all changes were saved properly and that you are working on the right domain. It can also help to log out, sign back in, and try again from a different browser if needed. That's the full fix for a GoDaddy registry error. Start with a refresh, confirm you're in the right account, check the domain status, verify the contact information, and complete any email verification requests. Those steps solve the problem in most cases. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another GoDaddy issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.